Today I'm working on door panels. Not because I need them, but because I want them. So I'm gonna cut myself a little template here and then figure out what will fit. I should probably mark that. That would be smart. I got my projects stacked in here like frickin' Tetris game currently. 54 is stuffed back in the corner. I know there's many different ways to do this, and I've seen a lot of them where they cover the whole door panel. I don't know, kind of like the way this rusticy door handle looks. I kind of like it, so I'm gonna leave it exposed. I'm just gonna do the bottom 2/3 probably. Probably should have used the cardboard when I did my firewall in the back, but you know, that's another story for another day. So we'll just get her as lined up as we can here. And I wanna make sure it fits well inside the door jamb so I don't have any issues. Just trim this a little bit off the bottom. I like it. I like it a lot. Now what do I cover it with? I got it. You've probably seen this in the background of my videos occasionally. Maybe not, I don't know. This may even upset some people for me to do this, but I'm gonna. Raise hell, praise Dale. Will forever be immortalized on my car. Determine the best way to cut it, that it doesn't burn it all up. Jigsaw is probably the safest bet. If not, I'll try something else. Yep, it's going good so far. Jiminy crickets! Oh, it's going good. No, it's not. Probably should have just done this the first way. Come on, goat! Boy, I wonder if I should put some like sound deadening on the back of it so it doesn't tin can when I'm going down the road. I ain't gonna hear it if it does anyways. Oh boy. I need more hands. Hell yeah! Yeah, this is a very crude way to install this. I absolutely could have got it really nice and drilled holes and riveted a bunch of stuff in here. But why? Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do on the other side. But isn't that cool? So unfortunately, I don't have another one of those Dale Earnhardt things to put on the other side. What I do have is an idea and a lot of junk. Now I just gotta create it, whatever it is. But I definitely think license plates are needed. Do I have a plan other than I want license plate and Route 66 sign? Nope. Just start putting it together and figure it out as I go. I had to move to my workbench. The floor bench wasn't cutting it for this project. Let's get going. There's one. Need more plates. If you know, you know. Not mine, by the way. Some of these plates have stamped letters, and it's really cool, but for making them fit, it doesn't really work. So anywhere it's gonna slide under, I'm just gonna flatten it out. Should be fine. We'll see how it looks. Yep. I'm liking it. Virgins. Or Virginia. I don't know. Maybe Louisiana? We're getting so close. Like most things I do, there's probably a better way to do this. But this is how I'm doing it. Hell yeah. One custom door panel. I missed my overlap there a little bit, but I won't tell anybody. Told ya, the interior is coming out of SimonSaysGarage. West Coast Customs is gonna be calling, you watch. Time to see if all the hard work paid off. Really wasn't that much hard work, but still. Yep, okay. Work with me here. Step back and have a look-see. Oh yeah. Yep. That hits the spot. That turned out awesome. That turned out really awesome. I'm really happy with it. It needs one more thing. My dad passed away well before he ever got to see me build this thing. When we were cleaning out his stuff, going through all his crap, he had a lot of crap. Found this little bicycle plate. Remember the old little bicycle license plate? You'd always go to the gas station, you'd look on the rack and see if you could find your name. I could never find my name. At some point, my dad found his name. I don't know if he had it since he was a kid. I don't know if he found it buying other random crap at auctions. I don't know the history behind it. What I know, it's now a part of my car, and he'll always be riding shotgun. Custom door panels. They're completely opposite of each other, which I love. They're both car related, which I love. This thing turned out better than I imagined. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Go check out my other videos if you wouldn't mind.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.